all settled as you. I think abhi pata to chal gaya hoga ki what is this whole motivational gesture all about the design, the interiors. After I have few questions for you. In fact, I lined up few questions for you so that the media and the other people can actually hear that what a layman wants to know, because everybody is in tune with the society and with the durian and with the competition here. You're the one, and me of course, was not in tune here. So I want to know how important is designing? I mean, how important is design generally for you?
Well, I want to first congratulate Mr. Hira for doing such a fabulous job, and sir, you.
I think that deserves a huge round of applause. Come on,
like one of the jury members said, I think marriages don't last for 12 years. We have such a beautiful blend of Durian as well as Magna publication. We've taken this so far, 12 years. Congratulations, sir. It might just vary. Of course, I'm not an architect, nor am I even inclined towards architecture. But I'm somebody who can appreciate art, somebody who can appreciate something to do with design. It's something that is beautifully designed or well thought of. It also requires a lot of creativity and imagination, fascination for something like this. So I just think that people study, people do degree, people make it a life for themselves. It is also a form of art, something that must be respected, something that must be valued, and something that must be appreciated.
So if I have, if we have to see your house, what is your house going to be like? But in fact, tell me, I'll just frame it in a different way. What is your ideal house like?
See, I personally love nature. I love anything to do with nature.
Zoo around?
I wish. I think, having said that, we are the only animals in the house. But, no, I think I love the ocean. I would ideally like a blend of oceans and mountains. But unfortunately, or fortunately, we live in a city of Mumbai where we have the ocean, which is fantastic. So I have a sea-facing apartment, which I love. And that gives me my calm and my peace. So I love the ocean. But otherwise, colors I prefer more whites, blacks, greys, pastels. Yeah, so that's something that really, I don't like loud colors. I either have to be in that frame of mind to like something that's extremely jarring. But I like peace and calm and serenity. So a lot of pastels have that effect on me.
So what is it? What is your house like? Is it moderation of both? Or just, as you just said, that nature is of course playing a big role here. But how do you place it?
No, it's quite modern. It's quite contemporary. Yeah. Not very modern, but it's got certain artifacts which are from the olden times. But otherwise, the decor as well as the planning or the thought process behind the house is quite contemporary.
Okay. So now, actually, just a little curious to know, because we travel so much. You, of course, as an actor, you travel so much. A lot of times when we travel, we see that little segment of interior that we think that, oh, why can't we get this here in our country? Or probably, why can't we get this in our house? So anything, any segment or any place that, or any interior of any nationality that you really wanted to get it here or inculcate that in your own house?
See, I've always been fascinated by the Oriental culture, which is the Japanese or Thai or Chinese for that matter. Ni hao. And my fiance has been living in Hong Kong for the past 6 years, so thankfully both of us have a common taste. We both are very fascinated by the Orientals. So not only the food, but even the interiors. That's one culture that we've been fascinated by. So something that I would like to revisit.
You like the wind chimes, or what is it?
I love the wind chimes. I have wind chimes at home also, and I love the Buddha.
Okay.
I study a lot of Buddhism, but I follow a lot of that culture, whether it's even Tibetan for that matter. I'm very fascinated by the Tibetan culture.
Fantastic. Now you just have to do one word, probably, if I give you that your dream home is like, or your dream home would be.
My dream home would be anywhere where I can find happiness.
Oh.
That I think would be my dream home.
Oh wow, I think this is so modern, so nicely said actually. Very nicely said.
Sorry, the reason I say that is because you can have all the wealth in the world, the best interiors in the world, you can do as many degrees and get the best architect in the world to do your house, but I think if you don't get a peaceful night's sleep on the world's most expensive bed, it's not worth it.
It's not worth it,
That's
absolutely.
why.
I like this, come on. Very nicely said. Now, a competition like that is of course very encouraging.
I've always been encouraging to newer talent, even as actors, when we have to encourage newer talent in the fraternity in Bollywood. I'm always the kind of person to say, because at some point in time I was new, so it's always nice to welcome new talent. And of course, this is from what the esteemed panel seems to be saying, and because they've got more experiences, is that this is something that's not as much tapped as it should be. So maybe it needs more exposure, it needs more integration with colleges. What are the other points that they brought up? They made some really wonderful points. So I think that must be encouraged, and what better than a powerful house like Magna, with a powerful company like Durian, joining hands and encouraging new talent. Because like you said, and I kind of second that there's incredible amount of talent in this country. It just needs to be tapped, that's all.
Absolutely. Now, of course, Grand Masti.
Well, it's embarrassing. Because I don't know how many people have seen Grand Masti. I hope the architects haven't. Ram, you can't put up your hand, Ram. You better see Grand Masti. But no, thankfully no one has seen Grand Masti, so besides Ram. So I'm safe.
Okay.
He's safe.
But he just saw the guy. I think he's seen the film in London. That's what he just narrated.
Yeah, he's actually, I have to reimburse him for the tickets. That's what he's saying. But yeah, no, I feel elated. Honestly, it's technically, I'd like to share this news today, that it's the highest grosser for any adult film in the history of Indian cinema. That's why I'm thankful that everyone applauded, but I guess they didn't hear the adult part of it.
It was a compliment or a comment which was passed on the film, yeah.
But this is like a really wonderful feeling to know that you just made history, and we made history today. So the collection that won about 85 crores.
Wow,
is within, I think, the Dirty Picture, which had about 84 crores or. So today is a big day for all of us, and I'm just, like I said, I'm just elated. I didn't expect this, but I'm absolutely numb.
Wow, congratulations. So which one was... Okay, carry on. So which one was dirtier, the Dirty Picture or the Grand Masti?
No, I haven't seen the Dirty Picture, but I'm assuming that in comparison, the Dirty Picture would probably look like a cartoon. Because I don't think anybody can go beyond Grand Masti. I mean, I'm hoping not.
Okay. Okay, now, again, a very personal question which everybody was...
Well, hopefully soon. Hopefully next year.
Okay.
We haven't locked on a date yet, but as soon as we lock, then we'll be happy to share it with you all.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Aftab. I think you so wisely narrated and so wisely commented on everything.
Thank you.
Wish you all the for joining hands with us and making this collaboration so very successful. Thanks, Swati. Your input has been so very special to all of us, of course. And here is a token of appreciation. Thanks for taking our time and being here. Well, that was it. Any more question? In fact, I wouldn't want her to leave. Sir, just give me 2 minutes.
Talks. Apparently there's some news that's been out, the third part, but I'm not aware of it. I read in the papers just like you did. No one has told me anything officially. So until it comes from the producer or from the director, I will not be able to comment on that. But I suggest you speak to them and ask them, because I have no idea.
Okay, any more questions?
So,
आगे चेयर पे बैठा देते बड़े हो गए आपका फ्रेंड्स मुकेश चलिए हफ्ता भी हफ्ता सामने हफ्ता एक सेकंड मैम हफ्ता बोतल भी लेते हैं हफ्ता भी लेट में